In this Wix website tutorial, let's take a look at how to invite collaborators to your site. So you need to get to the Roles and Permissions section of your dashboard. Up here in Settings, if you're in the editor, you can actually get to Roles and Permissions in this dropdown, here about halfway down. Once you click on that, it's going to open up a little shadow box with the dashboard of your website, which is kind of like the back end. And then it's going to take you to Settings and then Roles and Permissions. Inside of here, you'll see every collaborator and every role and permission you have set and assigned. And so you can upgrade your plan to get more collaborators. Initially, you'll have at least one collaborator you can invite. To do that, you can click this blue button to invite a new collaborator. Now you would type in their email. And so, for instance, collab@pixelandbracket.com. And so we can add that email. And then as we scroll down, we can manage the roles that collaborator has. So you can see there's a ton of different roles here for them. And so you have everything from general roles like a co-owner of the site. So they have access to literally everything that you have access to. Or you just have a website manager who can manage, edit, and publish, but can't get into the billing or deleting of sites or anything like that. A designer can edit the site and manage the settings, but can't access things like inbox or contacts or any other sensitive info. And on down here. You have people that can just edit the content of your site, for instance, or billing of your site, but not any other portions of your site. And you can go down here and kind of select which roles you think work perfectly. And then you can pick and choose even to create a custom role. But if you want to add, let's say, a website manager, you would check mark that and then send the invite to your collaborator. You can let Wix know who you're connecting with this little survey, or you can just kind of skip this portion here. And that invite will send, and you can see here that it expires after about 30 days. It says 29 days, but that would be on the 30th day it expires. And it shows when they were invited and that it's pending right now, so they haven't accepted it. So then that invitee would then go to their email to accept the collaboration. And you can also resend the link, get a specific link. You can remove it, or you can change the role. And you can change roles at any time. You can go manage roles. And so if you realize that a different role fits better for that person, or you're upgrading them or downgrading them, you can still do that. And that's how you can invite collaborators to your Wix website.